So the next question is question number 20, where this question is from data structure, and I'm reading out this question for you. The question is, they have given the post order and they have given the post order and in order traversal, and they want to know what is the height of the tree. So for this question we have to draw that tree and just we have to count that height of the tree. So the post order the post order thing is this, that is given, and the pre-order is this. Now we'll solve that question. Okay, so the post order is this and the in order is this. Okay, so as you are seeing here, the one is the last node of post order. Post order means the root will be the last to be traversed. So for that tree, 1 must be the root. Okay, so here 1. And like in order, where in order we traverse the root in the middle. Like in, what is the in? In means root will be traversed middle. Before root we will traverse left tree, and after root we will traverse right tree. Okay, post order means we will traverse root at the end. Before that we will traverse left, after that we will traverse right. So for pre-order we will traverse root first, after that left, after that right. So left tree is always traversed before right. So please remember this, left tree will be always be traversed before right, and the name of the traversing is named as the order of traverse of the root. So in post order we will traverse the root at the end, in order we will traverse the root in the middle, and the pre-order we will traverse the root first. And as you said that left tree will be always traversed before right. So for in order the sequence will be left, root, right. For post order the sequence will be left, right, root. For in order the sequence will be for in order the sequence will be, what will be the sequence? Left, root, right. And for in order for post order right, left, root. Okay, so here the post order is given and in order is given, and in post order the last element is 1. So 1 is the root. So I am taking 1 here, and in order where is 1? Here is 1. So this must be left tree and this must be right tree. Okay, so this whole element will be in left and this 3 will be in right. Okay, fine. So this is the left, and in left tree what is the and so this is the left tree, and what will be the root of the left tree? Here 3 is already taken, so 3 will be here. Three will be here, so 2 is here, right? So 2 will be root here, and 5 is the left, sorry, 5 is the right, so 5 will be here, and this part will come in left. Okay, and here 8, 6, 9, 4, 7, what is the next element? 5 is already taken, 4 is the next element, right? So here 4 will be the root and 7 is here, So 7 will in the right, and here 8, 6, 9. Among these 8, 6, 9, what is the next element? 6 is the next element. Say 7 is already taken. 6 is the next element. So 6 will be here. Okay, and if we take 6 here, this will be the right and this will be the left. So here will be the 9 and here will be the 8. So this is the tree which will generate that post order and in order traversal. And now if we count the height of the tree, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the height of the tree is 4. So for this question the answer is 4. So if you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends, and please stay tuned, because this is a new channel where we are discussing the questions as of now. After that we will come with lot of videos and complete lecture of every topic of computer science, and so please stay tuned, and thank you for watching.